Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show 'em how I stunt. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Honey Baby, and y'all already know what time it is. Today we have another hair tutorial, and today it is a updo type John. So it's kind of self-explanatory. Just keep watching, y'all. Just keep watching, and you'll see accomplish this look. Don't forget to check out all the hair details in the description box. This hair definitely is a 9 out of 10. It's giving. I just wish I had some HD transparent legs, but yes, go get y'all hair, bitches.
Love that you tried to give me. Know that shit can get real silly, but I ain't tripping off no lame nigga. No lame nigga. He can get my attention if he make bout 6 figures, but for real, cause this shit ain't real. Why I keep attracting niggas who be counterfeit and I ain't with it. Guess it's part of life. From not doing right, from issues I have deep inside, I try to hide, oh yeah. And I've been feeling stressed. Feels good to release and get this shit up off my chest, oh yeah. Sip till I'm numb, smoke on this blunt, till I get away from any pain that was caused. And I don't have patience for anyone to waste my time. Can't waste no time. And yes, it's payday. Gotta pay me for that lazy love that you tried to give me. Know that shit can get real silly, but I ain't tripping off no lame nigga. But I ain't tripping off no lame, no. Said I ain't tripping off no lame, no. Hey, no. And I can't trip up off no. Gotta treat these niggas like a Game Boy. You know that I always love to play with my favorite toy. Keep them in my pocket like the pesos love the green. Oh, can't let them one-up me, baby. That just ain't my steez, though. Niggas ain't shit, they just hoes and tricks. Only good for dick, and that's a small percent. I'm good off all that shit. And oh, I said fuck that shit. Just like Scissor said, these niggas don't deserve pussy, and baby, that shit slow. Treat these niggas like hoes. They be way too damn entitled, like they don't do the most. Like pussy don't equal gold. Oh, I fuck. And I done lost my patience and my time. All these niggas lacking what I need. I need more, need about to satisfy all my needs. Sheesh, tired of the bad quality, lacking all the basic shit that a real bitch need, yeah. Gotta treat these niggas like a Game Boy. You know that I always love to play with my favorite toy. Keep them in my pocket like the pesos love the green hole. Can't let them one-up me, baby. That just ain't my steez, though. Hold up, you know you gotta play these niggas like dummies. You can't let them take nothing from you, and they thinking that we slow. Don't know it is up our sleeves, yeah. These niggas like puppets. Learn how to control them. Make them do what you want like a marionette. No, you can twirl the strings if you wanna laugh. Make that nigga do a little jig, I know. so fucking crazy. How these dudes, they try to play me when I'm 2 steps ahead, baby. Ay. All these niggas lacking what I need more. Need my tooth to satisfy all my needs. Sheesh, tired of the bad quality, lacking all the basic shit that a real bitch need. Yeah. Gotta treat these niggas like a game boy. You know that I always love to play with my favorite toy. Keep them in my pocket like the pesos love the green hole. Can't let them one-up me, baby, that just ain't my steez, though. Hey. Who can do you like me? No one. Who can kiss and love you, please you, listen, comfort you like me? There is no one. I give you everything I have. You're my better half, oh baby. For you, I'll give you all of my loving, yeah. Fulfill your fantasies, become your great escape. The way you did me reciprocated energy, that is my favorite. We locked in, baby, oh yes. We can do whatever it is you like. When I'm around, it's like you're a cloud. I get you so high, so high, so high. A feeling that you never felt before. You know I love to spoil you. I'm the best thing for you. And you, for you, I'm the best thing for you. The feeling that I bring, just know no one can give it to you. And I bring the whole damn table, won't leave you starving, I'll feed you. Never mistreat you, if you need me, won't leave you, no, no, no. I'll never neglect my baby. Know that for you I go crazy. They say that love's a sacrifice, I'll do it twice for my baby. If this love is a crime, you know I'll pay the price for my baby. I'll never leave you dry, I'll pour my heart out for you, baby, yeah. We can go wherever you want. You wanna run off, well I'm down, babe. No, I'm down for you. When it comes to our love, no, it's bulletproof. Best thing for you, best thing for you. Oh, yeah. He keep giving me looks. Ever met a bitch like me, I leave him shook. Yeah. I'm the type to make a rap nigga sing. I'm the type of bitch to have a nigga scream my name. I ain't bad bitch, vibe dope in a kitty A1. If a pussy wants smoke, I'ma put him in a blunt. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Everything I do, you know I do it with ease. Oh, I do what I want, you know I don't apologize for shit, no. I refuse to waste time on think that won't be enough in my life. Nah, baby, I'm saying, no, I swear I'm not playing no more. Watch how you talk to me, watching from the crowd, little bitch, yeah, you see, you look up to me. 24-inch in a wind in a drop top, got the wave going crazy and it don't stop. Don't drown tryna bite off what I got. Everything that I do it so right, oh. Slide on a late night, sun go down, you know I come alive, yeah. I come alive, yeah. I got the drip, make these niggas go insane, yeah. I do some shit and I call these bitches pain, yeah. Henny in my cup, no, I don't give a fuck, ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, you talking too much, yeah. Don't throw it up like you owe some. Baby, gon' do it like you earned some. Oh, yeah, oh. Name another bitch like me, yeah. Who could bring the heat as sweet as me? I get up on the beat just like candy. A reason these bitches cannot stand me or no another reason, I know. But they cannot get close to me now. Don't mistake in my confidence for no cockiness. But baby, this the way that I'm coming out. Hey, little baby, come and whisper in my ear. Money talk is the only thing I really like to hear. No, I like the double C and some VV shit. Always keep a dime piece right beside me. Your boy feeling like Jodeci. He be crying for more of me. Inspiration to bitches. No, you can't come kick it. No, you cannot sit with us, no. 24-inch in a wind in a drop top. Got the wave going crazy and it don't stop. Don't drown tryna bite off what I got. Everything that I do it so right, oh. Slide on a late night, sun go down, you know I come alive, yeah. I come alive, yeah. I got the drip, make these niggas go insane, yeah. I do some shit and I call these bitches pain, yeah. Henny in my cup, no, I don't give a fuck, ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, you talking too much, yeah. Don't throw it up like you owe some. Baby, gon' do it like you earned some. Oh, yeah, oh. Windows down, yeah. Screaming money ain't a thing. Money ain't a thing. The windows down, yeah. Screaming money ain't a thing. Money ain't a thing, yeah. Money ain't a thing, no, yeah.
I like to hear people talk shit in the beginning of really long intros, cause then it just gives me something to listen to. Yeah.
Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on, yeah. Show 'em how I stun, yeah. I just might go off, yeah. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back, yeah. Cause I look good like that. Baby, I am just too bad, yeah. And I'm a 2